Are seed oils good? Hey everyone, today let's dive into a topic that might make you rethink your cooking oils, the potential health risk associated with seed oils. Now, these oils like soybean, corn, canola, and sunflower oil have been staples in many kitchens, but recent research suggests there might be some downsides to their use. One major concern is high omega-6 fatty acid content in seed oils. While omega-6 is essential, an imbalance of omega-3 fatty acids often found in fish and certain nuts can contribute to inflammation, a key factor in various chronic diseases. Ideally, we want a balanced ratio, but the standard Western diet tends to tilt the scales heavily towards omega-6, potentially promoting inflammation. I read an article from a nutritionist, and it highlighted how excessive consumption of seed oils has been linked to conditions like cardiovascular disease and inflammation disorders. Another issue is processing methods. Many seed oils undergo refining processes that involve heat and chemical solvents, which can lead to the formation of harmful compounds. So what's the alternative? Well, consider opting for oils like olive, avocado, and even coconut oil. Now, I've learned from doctors that I follow that oils are bad for our cardiovascular system, but I understand most people will not give up oils. In my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, I mention how I cut out oils or keep them to a minimum due to saturated fat. But if you want to use oils, olive, avocado, and coconut are probably the better options to seed oils. As always, it's about balance and making informed choices about what goes into our bodies. If you've made any changes to your cooking oils lately or have questions, let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more eye-opening health insight right here at LHL Club. Until next time, take care of yourselves.